what the fuck is it? 6, 7, double O.
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, you smell of smoke?
There we go. There we go. Damn, the rain got this bitch going dumb. I done dropped my phone and everything. Shit! Oh, big ass pothole. Bro, this car fun as hell, bro. Another one? Hit some more donuts? Alright, bet. But throw that bit one more time. Another one? Hit some more donuts? Alright, bet. But throw that bit one more time. Oh, this look like a gap. I don't trust myself, psych. We'll hit that bit one more time. I keep throwing the fuck out of my phone, bruh. And this ground is so damn wet, bro. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of cuss words. Forgive me, please. We gonna get it down, bruh. We gonna get it down. I'm about to go home though, definitely for sure. I'm definitely going home.
I'ma keep it in the street.
Why do they do that? I hate that. Somebody let me know what that is, bro. What y'all think they in there talking about? I know she need to turn them damn wipers off. Crazy.
I'm out late night swerving. I'm lurking.
Damn, no, we can't do it, bro. We gonna die. I'll give y'all a little bit. Damn, no, we good as dead. Look at them boys. They already coming to get me. They already coming to get me. I ain't even get to do nothing. I ain't even get nowhere. What the fuck is that? Bro, is that a police fleet? What the hell going on there? Oh. Well, if they was coming to get me, I'm got. Cause I'm driving slow as hell. I'm about to drive even slower. No, I'm not. Curiosity killed the cat. Shut up, bitch. You know I'm not putting it on. Anyway, man. Why is it raining on Christmas? It's supposed to be snowing. It's gonna be cold as Santa's nuts tomorrow. Excuse me. You're in 6th gear. You have no power. Shut up, nigga. You have no power. This bit get me just enough to get where I need to be. I'm just trying to get home. Actually, let me save gas. Man, that bit look nice. Damn. Oh my gosh, look how wet this road is. No, that sounded zesty as, oh my, what? Damn, I'm going 80? I'm sliding for what? I ain't even know. I ain't even feel it. Damn. There you go. There you go. Oh, okay. I'ma put it on. The rain just make it so boring. Alright, man, the end. I'm gonna go to Wawa. Wawa? Alright, bet. I'll follow you to Wawa. Damn, am I? That nigga was ready for I had to leave. If looks could kill, baby, I'm a fashion. Let me make sure they be recording, cause I'm gonna be pissed the fuck off if it's not. Oh shit, I'm my dumb ass. I'm not even speeding. Shut the fuck up. I thought my car was damn smoking, Bill. Tesla flashed the shit out of me. I'm keeping my booty warm. I ain't turning my shit off. Hey man, I told you, bro. I could drive that bit now, bro. I'm shifting that shit.
But you still can't keep up for real.
You crazy? I was right there.
I held my shit at 30, 3,000 RPM at 30 good. I'm like, let me see you go. You ain't do that way. You ain't do that way.
Nah, I probably look stupid as hell. I don't care. And I got this damn robe on. Yeah, what it is.
Take that bun on the back, flip it quick. Ain't no way missing. They copping out, they homies checking at them niggas bitching. We ain't gotta speak on nothing, go ask thing one about that shit. Killers got it, wanna go.
Oh shit! Bang! Bang!
Just like driving a manual car.
You think you all that in the bag of chips because you drive manual?
No, I don't. I hate that. That's the dumbest thing I ever did. And boy, I wish, I say every time I get in, I wish it was a 10.
Really?
What? First, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. First, second. That's boring. It's only fun when I'm going fast. When I'm going fast. Boy, I be making that bitch go stupid.
He's so happy.
Fuck man.
Put your big on there.
Oh! What, bro? We good. Look. Come on, bro.
He did. Big ankle out.
Bro, come on. I do this.
No. I can tell you where it's going. In the closet.
Huh?
It's going in the closet.
Tripping, bro.
I have record, get the smooth vid.
All right. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dev, and today we're gonna give y'all a little POV drive in my little, my feetsies. And we out there, bitch. We got a wild Camaro. Damn, y'all can't even see that, bitch. No flash. We got a wild Camaro in the flesh. Give y'all some light beside that light. Yeah. There you go, 2SS. I call it Roxy slide. I'm a little slide, I'm a little big. I'll take you down the road. That's a big old pothole. Look at that, though. Oh my God. Oh, go down the drain. Ain't something wrong. Will beat my ass. That's why you don't let them be on your shit. Delete that footage, Asan. I didn't mean to do that, bro. I'm sorry. I can't help it. It's just what I do. Y'all tripping, man. It been fun.
Bro, come on.
This nigga ugly as hell. Hot fish.
Welcome back to another video again, chat. You feel me?
Shut the fuck up.
Now it's Alibaba on the scene. Today I'm gonna show you how to spin my Camaro 2SS. Show the
And that's the end of the video. He tried to steal my car.